Once a bustling trading route where merchants used to come and sell their wares. It was the merchants that built these stunning houses. These houses, built in the 19th century, were made out of coral, limestone and apparently palm tree fibres. Can't believe how well restored all of these buildings are. Every corner you turn, it's just stunning. It really does take you back in time. These merchants had put a lot of thought into how to keep cool. Narrow alleyways and wind towers, which cooled the insides of the homes. Before, obviously, the delightful aircon. Well done, merchants, because having narrow alleyways is an absolute lifesaver because it's roasting outside and these alleyways do indeed keep it cool. And now I feel all right. Let's go, carry on. Let's embrace the heat. And there was indeed one thing that I fell in love with in this area of Dubai, and that was the doors. I have a slight obsession with doors, old wooden doors. I mean, look at this. One day, I'm going to have doors like this in a house that I own somewhere in the world. Well, that's the dream anyway. But if doors aren't your thing, there's plenty of shops to peruse over. Many selling traditional Arabian handmade goods. And you can even find some antiques and a tortoise thrown in for good measure. For those familiar with the TV show Dubai Bling, you can hang out at the Besties Cafe and take a selfie. And the other good thing about getting out early in Dubai, especially in this area, is that it is super quiet and you can just enjoy the surroundings. No tour guides, no groups of people. Perfect. There are many museums in the area, but I decided to check out the Coffee Museum. It's a great little place. You can get to experience the regional styles of coffee and celebrate the history of coffee and its culture. Thank you. Gahwa. The coffee is gahwa. Oh, okay. Punya. 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 Okay. Bunna. I still can't say it right. A linguist, I am most certainly not. I did not expect to come to the Souks and experience Dubai's old town and become a pottery maker. Amazing. Such lovely people. Really lovely. It was a nice little touch and a nice little surprise. And even though there are people around, there's sort of a stillness about this area of Dubai. It's really peaceful, beautiful. It's wonderful to see that the old boats are still in trading action. For 2 dirhams, you can ride a traditional abra and head over to see the modern merchants selling their wares at Dubai's old souks. souks are the place to come for pretty much everything, really. Material, tea, perfume, and spices. But be warned, before you do come, you do need to do some revision because there is a test.
What is this? What is this? This is lemon. What is this?
Saffron, no?
Sunflower.
And this one, you know what is this?
No.
This one castagna for joint pain.
What's this?
A stone of some kind.
No, this is Arabic oud. For tea.
Tea?
Yes, for tea. Like this.
Expect to be convinced to buy pretty much everything, starting with tea,
High pressure.
Yeah, high pressure. All right, okay.
then perfume, incense, and ending up with spices.
Hi, how are you, ma'am?
Very good, thank you.
Nice camera. Look at my shop.
Just explain you, only explain. You see, this one sulfur for skin allergy, halam stone after the shaving, incense for burning.
Time to hunt out some gold. And if you've ever wondered what the world's largest ring looks like, then, well, there you have it. Reams and reams of extremely expensive, but apparently quite good prices can be had in the old gold souk. What's actually nice about the souks is that they are cool and shaded, and it's absolutely roasting outside. I think it's about nearly 40 degrees. So once you're inside the souks, it's actually quite refreshing because it's out of the sun. And apart from obviously being hassled to go in every single shop, it is an enjoyable experience. I'm going to sit back and enjoy the wonderful aroma of the sandalwood that I bought in the souks. And I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you've enjoyed seeing what I believe is still the centre of Dubai. I'll catch you on the next one.